Hello everyone. Today we'll be building a vending machine. Yes, that is right, a vending machine in Minecraft. And this one is not like any normal vending machine where if you put a couple emeralds, it still only lets you buy one thing, but if you put 4, then you can buy 4 things. If you put 5, you can buy 5 things. So yeah, first of all, let's try with 1. Put the emerald, turns on the redstone lamp, and then I can choose what I want. So here, it goes into here, I have it. Then with 4, I put in 4, I'll choose Elytra, Rocket, Golden Apple, and Elytra. Now you have your enchanted Golden Apple, you have your 2 firewood rockets, and you have Elytra, which is 4 in total, with those 4 emeralds, and the redstone lamp turned off. And then if you're the creator of this, and you made this to get currency in the game, you just dig down, and then boom, you have your chest, and you have all the emerald that people spent on this machine, and then you're pretty much good to go. And then this little bad boy, I'll be showing this in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me show you how to build this. So, to build this, you will need to dig a 5 by 9 hole, and then you want to go up at the once you go here at the very left bottom corner, you go 1 2, so that should bring you to the 3rd block, and then you go up, you place actually no, you place 2 blocks, then you get your hopper, you place it down, and then that is pretty much what you want to do with the hopper. Now you place a block in front of this hopper, and on that block you'll place a dropper facing towards the right, a hopper facing into the dropper, so that would be a hopper facing into a hopper facing into a dropper, and that dropper will be facing a chest. So in the end, if you throw something in here, it should end up in the chest. And then you will put a block over here, 2 blocks over here, 1 block over here, and 1 block over here, making an L shape, then adding a block over here, and another block over there. Now you will put a redstone comparator over here, redstone dust here and here, and then a redstone torch right over here. Now this will make it so that items will not just go straight out or need to have a certain amount of items. So yeah, that is pretty useful. Then what you now need to do is get your blocks, place 2 down here next to the dropper, then place 1 here, place 1 up, 1 more up, and then 3 forwards in all, so it should end up like this. Now you want to create something else, but first we will cover the dropper like this, then you will make a block over here, so in the end it should look like this, so kind of an upside down L, kind of, and then a block next to it, then a redstone comparator right there. Out of that redstone comparator you put a block, and a block underneath, redstone on this block, blocks on both sides of the redstone, then a redstone repeater right here, a block up, another block up, and then you just go. That does not make any sense. Nope. Blocks like this, and block like this, and then you go over here outside of your barrier. Now you can just place a block over here. We will go back to this a bit later. For now, we will just be placing the shulker box. So you place a block here, then you get your shulker box, which I have somewhere right there, and then you place it down. Once you have it placed, it should be facing the front, So when you open it, it should open this way, like that, not like this, not upwards, but sideways towards the hopper. Now, you will put blocks all around this little shulker box, then blocks over here, blocks over here. Now, instead of these blocks, actually, it is hoppers that you want. So, you will take hoppers, you put one facing towards the shulker box, and then you place two more, one facing into that hopper from that side, and another one from that side. Now you place redstone repeaters coming out from those, and then you will have sticky pistons going up, one here, and one over here. Then you take 3 blocks off like this, and that should do pretty much a flush floor. And then over here you want to make more redstone repeaters, go, and then off from here you make sticky pistons, one here, and one here. Now you place blocks, and then so then you place blocks over here, and you put redstone over here, and that should connect up to this. That is good, that is what we want. And then once that is connected up, you will make, now that this is placed, you'll put one temporary block here, a hopper, a dropper going there, and then a hopper facing that dropper. English. Now you will go back to this circuit, and we want to connect it to this, meaning that for that we'll go one more up, then another up, and then left. And now we want to put redstone on top of this, and then a block, I'll just do this, over in here. Now we will put temporary blocks over here, which is hoppers, if you forgot, and then repeaters on top. We will put rails over there, and minecart with hopper, minecart with hopper, and minecart with hopper. Then we'll break each one of these blocks right here. It should change your minecart so that they face that block. If it doesn't, then just get rid of one. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. And I just messed up the repeater. There we go. It should be on 3 now. Yeah, now it's on 1. Okay, so right there, for example, let's just say don't destroy your minecart if they're facing this way, but if they're facing that way, then destroy one of them and just push them so that they go horizontal. Yeah, and then perfectly in the center. There we go. And now you just want to push it over to the center of that block and push this one over between those 2 blocks as well. A bit more push on this one, and then that should work. So now with this, what you want to do is you place your dispenser. Now you don't really need these, so I'll just destroy them. Well, actually no, we need them for now, actually, now that I think about it. You'll place droppers over here, and now you can destroy it. Then you'll place half slabs on top. Now here you put the items that you want to sell, and then here you would put your item frame, and then your glass pane over here. Now you just put items that you like, for example, cobblestone that you just renamed a random name that nobody's gonna guess. You put them over here, and then you put emeralds over here. So obviously you would need to have emeralds to begin with. Pretty sure it's 18. Last time I said that, though, I regret it. Yeah, it's 18. And that's that. Now you want to place a redstone lamp on top of the middle glass pane, then a comparator facing that way, coming out from the hopper. And then redstone. And now once you click one of the buttons, which you will have to put right now, over here, it should send a signal. And, well, I guess I have those right now because that's what was in there. So yeah, and it will, well, right there I wasn't able to buy anything, but if I put emeralds into here, it would allow me to turn the redstone lamp on. Let's just say I buy whatever is in here, and I buy whatever is in here. So yeah, that should work if you followed every single step correctly. And now you got yourself a working vending machine. Thank you all very much for watching. Peace.